Customer order processing. Want to make customer happy with timely delivery of order? Ordering involves variety and complexity of transactions. Acme Infinity makes it simple and systematic. One of our customers procures around 40,000 orders in a year and handles 30 to 35 kg of ready-to-delivery order stock at any point of time. Every customer order will have a unique order number. Customer order items can be taken with details of design, size, length, approximate weight and delivery date. Ready item from sales counter can be selected in order. You can specify any changes to be made in selected item, which is called as item booked with modification. Samples, if any, can also be entered in order. Old gold or advance received can be entered against the order. Infinity provides simplified way of preparing order slips for goldsmiths. This enables you to issue orders to goldsmith at any time during the day. This saves time at day end. Sample, if any, has to be issued to goldsmith along with order slip. If any diamonds, color stone is to be issued to goldsmith for the particular order, that has to be entered. Note that here we are using order number as job number. If diamond is damaged or received back by goldsmith, they should be entered in software. Order delivered by goldsmith will be entered through goldsmith receipt voucher. Order number can be fed or selected from list while entering document. Diamond, color stones given against order are taken in studded part of order item. If goldsmith uses diamond from his stock, that can be entered. If further processing is required, you can send this order item to other goldsmith. Once item is received from goldsmith, it is considered as delivery stock item. Various reports on delivery stock including summary reports are provided. Summary report includes goldsmith order receipts, booked items, inward and outward like delivery with order sales bill, order item cancellation. Order status can be viewed by entering order number or by customer name. Order status includes customer contact details, total advance or old gold received with document details, saving scheme details, if any. It also includes status of each order item to which goldsmith it is given. Whether it is received back from goldsmith, that is ready for delivery, or delivered to customer. This single screen information display can answer every query regarding particular order number. So, do not let customer leave without purchasing if item is not in stock. Take the order using cataloging software and deliver it smoothly using automated customer order supply chain.